A progressive plan to help you start a yoga routine from day 1 to day 15. Yoga is a practice that connects the body, breath, and mind. It uses physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation to improve overall health. Yoga was developed as a spiritual practice thousands of years ago. Days 1 to 5. Introduction to Yoga. Day 1. Learn the basics. Begin with a gentle introduction to yoga poses, asanas, focusing on foundational poses such as mountain pose, Tadasana, child's pose, Balasana, and downward-facing dog. At home Mukha Svanasana. Practice mindful breathing, pranayama, techniques such as deep belly breathing or alternate nostril breathing. Day 2. Sun salutations, Surya Namaskar. Learn the sequence of sun salutations A and B, incorporating basic standing and forward bending poses. Focus on synchronizing breath with movement and maintaining proper alignment in each pose. Day 3. Balance and stability. Practice balancing poses such as tree pose, Vrksasana, and warrior 3, Virabhadrasana 3, to improve focus and stability. Use props like a wall or chair for support if needed, and focus on finding your center of gravity. Day 4. Hip opening and flexibility. Explore hip opening poses like pigeon pose, Ekapada Rajakapotasana, and butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana, to release tension and improve flexibility. Approach these poses with patience and gentleness, using props like blocks or blankets for support. Day 5. Relaxation and restorative yoga. Incorporate restorative poses such as corpse pose, Savasana, and supported bridge pose, Setu Bandhasana, to promote relaxation and stress relief. Focus on deepening your breath and letting go of tension in the body and mind. Days 6 to 10. Deepening your practice. Day 6. Core strength. Strengthen the core muscles with poses like boat pose, Navasana, and plank pose, Phalakasana, to improve stability and support in other yoga poses. Focus on engaging the abdominal muscles while maintaining steady breath. Day 7. Back bends and heart openers. Explore back bending poses such as cobra pose, Bhujangasana, and camel pose, Ustrasana, to open the chest and improve spinal flexibility. Approach these poses mindfully, moving gradually into the back bend and supporting your lower back as needed. Day 8. Twists and detoxification. Practice twisting poses like seated spinal twist, Ardha Matsyendrasana, and revolved chair pose, Parivrta Utkatasana, to aid digestion and detoxify the body. Focus on lengthening the spine with each twist and using the breath to deepen the stretch. Day 9. Yoga flow. Combine poses into a flowing sequence, moving with the breath in a dynamic and fluid manner. Experiment with different styles of yoga flow such as vinyasa or hatha, focusing on smooth transitions between poses. Day 10. Mindfulness meditation. Integrate mindfulness meditation into your yoga practice, either as a separate seated meditation or during restorative poses. Focus on cultivating present moment awareness and observing thoughts and sensations without judgment. Days 11 to 15, Integration and Mastery. Day 11, Yoga for Stress Relief. Explore gentle yoga sequences designed specifically for stress relief and relaxation. Incorporate soothing poses and breathwork techniques to calm the nervous system and promote emotional well-being. Day 12, Pranayama and Breathwork. Dedicate a session to exploring various pranayama techniques such as Ujjayi breath, Kapalabhati, or Brahmari breath. Practice rhythmic breathing exercises to enhance focus, energy, and inner balance. Day 13, Yoga Philosophy and Lifestyle. Study the philosophical principles of yoga such as the 8 limbs of yoga and the concept of ahimsa, non-violence. Reflect on how these principles can be applied to your daily life off the mat, promoting greater harmony and well-being. Day 14, Self-Practice and Reflection. Dedicate a session to self-guided practice, allowing yourself to explore poses and sequences that feel right for your body. Take time for self-reflection and journaling about your yoga journey so far, noting any insights or breakthroughs. Day 15, Celebration and Gratitude. Celebrate your progress and accomplishments on your 15-day yoga journey. Express gratitude for the benefits of yoga in your life and set intentions for continuing your practice with joy and dedication. Remember to listen to your body throughout your yoga practice, honoring its limitations and resting when needed. As you progress, continue to deepen your understanding of yoga and its transformative power on both a physical and spiritual level. Enjoy the journey of self-discovery and growth that yoga offers.